In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos from default gallery to Google Photos. If you want to move a photo from your phone's built-in gallery app into Google Photos, the process is quick and simple. This is useful if you want easier cloud access, better organization, or just want your images available inside the Google Photos app. To get started, open your default gallery on your phone. This is the app where your photos and videos are normally stored after you take them with your camera or download them. Once you're inside the gallery, take a moment to find the photo you want to upload. If you have a lot of images, it may help to open the correct album first so you can locate it faster. When you find the photo you want to send, tap on it to open it. After that, select the photo and press the share option. On most phones, the share button looks like three connected dots, a small arrow, or a share icon near the bottom or top of the screen. Tapping this opens your phone's sharing menu, which lets you send the image to other apps installed on your device. Now look through the sharing options and find the Google Photos icon. Once you see it, tap it to upload the photo into Google Photos. Depending on your device, this may open the Google Photos app right away or bring up a small confirmation screen. If needed, just follow the prompt on your screen to complete the upload. If Google Photos doesn't appear immediately in the share menu, you may need to scroll sideways or tap a button such as More to see the full list of apps. Also, make sure Google Photos is installed on your device and that you're signed into your Google account. Otherwise, the upload option may not work properly. One helpful tip is to wait a few moments after tapping Google Photos, especially if the image is large or your internet connection is slow. Upload times can vary depending on file size and connection speed. Once it finishes, you should be able to open Google Photos and confirm that the image has been added. And that's it. Open your default gallery, choose the photo, tap share, and select Google Photos. It's a fast way to move your pictures into Google's photo library so you can access them more easily across your devices.